Hiya, it's Mr. Hancock. Let's see how much we can remember from last time, and we learnt about the physical causes of uneven development. Pause the video to attempt the multiple choice questions and press play to reveal the answers. Did you get 4 out of 4? If you did, then that's brilliant. If not, make sure you know where you went wrong and try to learn from it. Right, let's start the next section. The red highlighted section of the specification on the screen indicates we're going to be learning about the economic causes of uneven development. Make sure you've got your pen and paper, and here we go. This symbol means you need to read, and this symbol means you need to write. Press pause whilst you write down the focus and restart when you're done. Remember, economic means to do with jobs, business, and money. Don't forget you can access the digital textbook as you watch the video. The access details are shown on the screen. We're going to be making use of pages 202 and 203. Press pause whilst you add the key idea. Economic causes of uneven development. Pause the video and have a read of this extract, but hold fire on making notes just yet. In a moment, I'm going to show you a different extract that summarises the main points for you in what I hope will be slightly more accessible format. You will need to use the information on this slide, however, to complete the activities later on, so it might be worth making a note of the timestamp. Restart the video when you're ready. Okay, in my opinion, this is slightly easier to make your notes for the main economic causes of uneven development. It's an extract from the green CGP revision guides that we use in the classroom. As you can see, it's split into 3 subheadings: poor trade links, lots of debt, and an economy based on primary products. Choose your own format to make notes, but avoid the temptation to copy word for word, as this doesn't promote active learning. Pause the video and restart when you're ready to tackle some questions. For this main activity 3A and 3B, you're going to have to use Graph C at the bottom of page 202 in the Caboodle textbook, or go back in the video to the first extract. Remember to be as accurate as possible when reading figures from graphs. If you're too far out in your answer, you're not going to get any credit. Pause the video to write down the question and restart it when you're ready. What you'll notice here is that you do have a little bit of leeway in terms of how accurate you need to be. Examiners will usually expect you to be within a certain range, in this case plus or minus 1%. So for 3A, I'd accept 37, 38 or 39%. For activity 3B, I'd accept 29, 30 or 31%. Activity 4A and 4B are connected, but they have very different requirements. 4A is very much a skills question and doesn't really include any geographical content at all. Consider using the T acronym shown on the right when describing Graph D on page 203. That is, describe the trends. Quote the evidence of that trend and comment on the anomalies. It's a good idea to write a line graph description in chronological order, so starting in 2000 and finishing in 2014, but don't overdo the detail. Activity 4B requires you to apply your knowledge and understanding of what the graph means for the Zambian economy. For both questions, you'll need to look at page 203 of the textbook or go back in the video. Pause the video and complete the tasks. And when you're ready, press play. For activity 4A, this is a typical model answer that would collect full marks. You won't have an identical response, but hopefully you've described similar trends and identified anomalies such as the 2009 decrease. Activity 4B expects you to be aware of how the fluctuating copper prices makes it very, very difficult for the country to plan for the future. How did you get on? I hope that was okay. We're almost at the end now. So, we've covered 2 of the 3 causes of uneven development, the physical causes and the economic causes. There's just one more to go. Next time, we'll be investigating the 3rd and final cause of uneven development, the historical causes, as highlighted in the extract. If you know anything at all about colonialism, then that's where we're heading. See you soon.